We appreciate all the different local musical talent here on the Suncoast and all the different styles. In today's Sounds of the Suncoast, here is pop rock band Decoy performing You and I Both Know It. Take it away.
When you think you've had enough and everything is crashing down, it's kind of hard to say this, but it only gets worse from here on out. You asked me how I know this, I've seen it all before. Don't you remember the time or place? I vaguely recall the look on your face. You're all I want, you're all I need, but I can't give you everything that you deserve. This night is gone, I have to leave. We tried so hard, but it's a given. You and I both know it wouldn't work. When you think you had it all,
but still you had to call. I think that's where it went wrong, though I know you were seeing him all along.
I think I found them all. Your lies, they are so small. At least you give me something to write about. Hope you feel 10 feet tall. You're all I want, you're all I need, but I can't give you everything that you deserve. This night is gone, I have to leave. We tried so hard, but it's a given. You and I both know it wouldn't work. You're all I want, you're all I need, but I can't give you everything that you deserve. This night is gone, I have to leave. We tried so hard, but it's a given that you and I both know it wouldn't work.
I love your sound.
Yeah,
It's like
beautiful.
very upbeat and fun. And I understand you've released a new video. What's that like?
We just released a video. It's Alice in Wonderland theme. We shot it with 2 Stories Media. Worked really, really hard on it.
That's kind of a fun process.
Yeah,
Write a
it's
song, but then to also create a visual.
Yeah,
around
it's
it.
about a day of shooting and about a month of editing. So
Wow.
it's
How
a
has
lot
it
of work.
done? Has it been popular?
Yeah, it's been popular. Our first video got about 20,000 views on it, so we're hoping to surpass that this time.
Well, I want to know if that song was about your life that you just sang.
Actually, he wrote that one.
It really happened to you? Not yet?
Not yet. I'll put it that way.
Good, good.
All right. Well, congratulations.
Thank you
We
so
love
much.
to see
Appreciate it.
local groups and local bands doing great things. And
Thanks
you
for
guys
having us.
definitely are. To keep up with Decoy, you can find them on their Facebook page. Coming up next, we're going to keep rocking out with Workout Wednesday and Body Pump. You play us a little more?
Absolutely.
All right.
Is this what I'm here for? I'm begging for the answer. Running 4 years strong. Thought it would take me this long. Is this the beginning
Of the rest of our lives,
the end of everything that ever